Hello my gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a haul video. So I picked up some makeup recently and I just thought I will film a video. So because I put a poll on my Instagram and lots of people said that they want to see what I picked up. So if you guys are interested to see what I picked up in the recent months, please keep watching. Alright, so the very first order is from Cult Beauty and I picked up a few things and it was from Tilbury. The very first thing I picked up, it's her Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and this is what the outer packaging look like. And this is what the setting spray look like. And I've been using this spray from like last 2 weeks or something like that, and I actually really like it. Another thing I picked up, it's again from Tilbury, and this is her Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. And this is what the packaging look like. It's very pretty. It's basically similar to her Flawless line, the foundation and the Flawless filter. And yeah, this is what it looks like, and I will show you the wand. This is what the wand look like. And I've been using this one as well, and I really like it. Another order, it's from Sephora, and the things I picked up actually 2 concealer. So one is from Dior and another one is from Mcgrath Labs. So this is what the Dior's one look like, and I picked up in the shade 4W. And this is the Mcgrath one, and I picked up in the shade M16. Another thing I picked up from Sephora is the Detangle to Go from DryBar. And I picked up 2 hair brushes. They're a little bit dirty, but oh well. So this is the full size one. And I picked up the mini one as well. And I mean, like, first I thought, you know, what is the hype is about? But now I got these and I can totally understand why they're so popular, because I don't know, it's just the way the bristles are. When you're actually brushing your hair, I don't know, it's funny, but it feels so soothing. Like, you know, you just feel like you just want to keep brushing your hair because it feels so nice on your scalp. I mean, like, I don't know what is so special about these, but like, you have to use it to know what I'm talking about, because, you know, once you're brushing your hair, you feel like keep brushing your hair. So I am actually really loving these. So the bigger one is like in our ensuite, and the mini one I bought it because, you know, it's easy to carry around. You can put in your bag. I was like, you can put in your brush, you can put it in your bag, and it normally stays in my beauty room because when I'm getting ready in the morning, so I got a hairbrush so that my husband and I, we're not fighting over it, like, you know, keep using it and then bring it back and then you forgot to bring it back. So yeah, that's another story. But yeah, so I picked these 2 up and I am really loving it. Another thing I picked up from Sephora, it's their Dior lip glow oil, and this is what it looks like. They do have like different shades. This one is 007 Raspberry, and I'll swatch it. Look at the applicator. It is huge. They do have like a little bit minty taste, so they feel cooling on your skin. And they do have like a little bit bubble gum kind of smell to them. I mean, you can't tell the color of the oil, but when you apply it on your lips, like, it changes colors according to your body temperature basically. They do have like probably like 5-6 shades, I'm not too sure, but yeah, you don't need all the shades, but I actually really like this. So with this one, obsession for lip oils and lip balms, tinted lip balms has started, because you'll see why. Another 2 thing I picked up, it's from Mecca Maxima. One is from Nars and one is from Hourglass. And this is their lip glow balm, and this is in the shade Dolce Vita. As you can see, I have used a lot of this because this is the one I'm wearing today. It's like Your Lips but better. And yeah, I don't know, recently I've been so much into tinted lip balms, lip oils and all that. Yeah, you know, like, we all go through phases, and I am in that phase where I just want to buy every single lip tint on the planet. I mean, like, can't do that, but yeah, I wants to do that. So this is Dolce Vita. Another one is from Hourglass. This one is very expensive. I think it was $80 or more than $80. And I picked up in the shade Icon. I mean, like, it's very bougie, of course. So what you do is you just press this thing here, like it's a pump kind of thing. So you press the pump and the product comes out like that. And the applicator feels so nice and cooling on your lips, which is really good. And like, it has a little bit color as well, and this is what it looks like. So this is the Dior one. Then we got Nars Dolce Vita, and then this is from Hourglass. It's the shade Icon. And to be honest, I am loving all of these, but at the moment I'm using the Nars one most of the time, but I actually really love all of these. I'm planning to pick a few from Chanel because they do have these kind of lip tints. So yeah, another thing I picked up, it's from Laneige, and this is the glowy makeup serum, and this is what it looks like. And I'll show you. It does have like some sparkles in it. Hopefully you will be able to see. Apparently you can use it as a serum on its own, and you can use it as a makeup base as well. And this is what it looks like once you blend. And the last few things I picked up, it's from Tilbury. The very first thing I picked up, it's her Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. So this palette here, I'll show you the outer packaging. So this is the outer packaging. It is so pretty, and of course the inside is even more prettier. And this is what the palette look like. The palette is a little bit messy because I just used it, and this is the one I'm wearing on my eyes right now because I filmed a Get Ready With Me, and it is a very, very pretty palette. Another thing I picked up, it's from Tilbury, and this is her Cheek to Chic blush. This is in the shade of Walk of No Shame, and this is what it looks like. I don't want to ruin it, but I'll swatch it. And this is what the shade look like. Alright my gorgeous, so that's all the things I picked up recently. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yeah, do let me know in the comment section below if you guys have picked up anything recently, or you're planning to pick up, like, you know, the holiday releases are coming and all that. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye gorgeous.